So let's get going with the walls, the windows, and the doors. The first thing I'm going to do is draw the outside of this and offset the main walls, doing it that way. So to do that, I'm going to get rid of a couple of the lines that might be on the inside so that I have only one shape that I'm working with. There we go. And I've saved this as a new file. Saved it as a new file. Then I can use the offset command and I can come in 6 inches. Now I've got those nicely set, right? I've got that. So if I want to get rid of this internal one so that I can see these lines, now I can put in these walls, and these walls are going to be 4 inches. Okay, so if I draw across to here, and I'm going to make it easy, I'm just going to come down to that point. And if I draw up 4 inches, now I can use my rectangle command. And I've got that wall. And again, as I do these, I'm going to get rid of those internal pieces. And now I can do this one down and over 4. You can get that one quite right. Let me do that again. I'm going to come from here over 4. And now I can draw here to that end point. Okay. And you can look at these and go, oh, yeah, no, I didn't quite do that one right. So let me get rid of those. What I really wanted to do is draw a rectangle from here down to there and then over 4. So that's pretty close. And I can get rid of this little thing. So there's a little bit of figuring out how and where you want to draw these. Can likewise put it into wireframe, but I kind of prefer to have it in this mode and then just get rid of the part that I need to see. So now I've got another big rectangle right there. This one I can come over to here and make it about 4 inches. Doesn't have to be great. I'm just looking down in that corner. 3 5/8. That'll be enough for what we're doing. And get it down somewhere around 4 inches. There we go. Just to get something kind of close. And then I got to get rid of these little corner pieces here. And I have 2 more little walls to put in. So put one about there. That looks pretty close. And so I'm just using the rectangle command to get these. Kind of the easiest way to get, and they're all about 4. So there we go. So now I've got that. Pretty much got it into place, but I'm going to have to do some, I want these to all connect up. I should have a little piece there. That connects up. I have to get rid of all the little pieces that are kind of hanging in the way. So SketchUp is not nearly as precise as some of the other tools. You can be precise, but it's, you're going to find that some of the other tools are much quicker and easier to use. But this isn't bad. Okay, I've got my walls, my walls just about ready now. I did the outside walls, I offset it, and then I used the rectangle command to get those. Okay, if I want to put my color coding back in, I can do that, right? I know that I can color code the hallway, probably already set on that one. I'll need one more line over here, but I'll put that in later. I can put in the conference room. But you can do that later, or you can do it now. Right? I can put in my conference room. Oh, I forgot my office. See, already that was a good idea to do that. Okay, where does the office go? There it goes. But now I've got a conference room and my office is maybe those two, not quite. I'll get them right. There we go. I've got my copy room and my toilet. And I've got my hall, and I'll just need a little line for my reception, which is blue. There we go. Now, once I've got those walls, I want to get them the right height. We're making them 8 foot tall. There we go. Doesn't matter what color they are right now. Doesn't matter anything about that. We just want to get those right. So that's how you do the walls. Draw the outside, offset at 6, and then just draw rectangles for these other ones and make them about 4 inches wide. Okay, this is not a construction document. You don't have to spend a ton of time on it. Now, if you can, you might see if you can get rid of some of the extra lines. If they erase something, you want to put them back in. That's Control Z. But if you can get it as clean as you can right off the bat, good. There we go. That's the first step. Make the walls.